Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the TOPZEE Blender, a powerful, compact and highly versatile kitchen appliance packed with a 1000-watt motor and a design that emphasizes both functionality and ease of use. This blender seems like a great fit for any home kitchen. But does it live up to its promises? Let's dive into the details, starting with the unboxing. Right out of the box, you are greeted with the main blender body, a blending cup, the 6-leaf extraction blade attachment, and a sequel lid for the cup. The first thing that strikes you is the compact design. Despite having a 1000-watt motor, the TOPZEE blender is surprisingly lightweight and doesn't take up too much space. The blending cup is made from sturdy, BPA-free plastic, and the sleek body of the blender has a modern, minimalist look, will fit nicely into most kitchen aesthetics. Everything you need to get started is included in the box, and assembly is quick and easy. You simply attach the blade to the bottom of the cup, twist it securely onto the motor base, and you are ready to blend. Now that we have unpacked the essentials, let's explore its features in more detail. First and foremost, the TOPZEE blender is built for performance. Equipped with a 1000-watt motor, it has the strength to handle just about any blending task. Whether you are preparing smoothies, milkshakes or juice, this blender can handle it all with ease. But it doesn't stop there. Its powerful motor also allows you to crush harder ingredients like nuts, coffee beans and ice cubes. The blender's strong crushing ability is ideal for anyone who enjoys experimenting with different textures and recipes. If you like your smoothies with frozen fruits or chunks of ice, the TOPZEE blender won't struggle. This power comes in handy when you are preparing summer drinks that require ice breaking or smoothies with thick ingredients like nut butters or fibrous vegetables. The 6-leaf blade system works in harmony with the motor to ensure everything is finely crushed and well blended. Speaking of ice, the TOPZEE blender excels at breaking it down into tiny, manageable pieces. Its ice breaking function sets it apart from many other blenders in this price range. With this feature, you can easily blend frozen fruits with ice cubes to make cream smoothies that remains their thick, refreshing texture. You can also combine syrups and concentrated fruit juice with ice to create gourmet beverage, perfect for parties or casual get-togethers. Whether you are making a simple smoothie or experimenting with mocktails, the ice-breaking functions ensures that your drinks turn out smooth and delicious. You won't be left with large chunks of ice floating around, which can ruin the consistency of your drinks. One of the standout features of the TOPZEE blender is its user-friendly design. The company has clearly put thought into the details that make everyday use more convenient. The blender features an ergonomically designed locking system that makes securing the cup to the base effortless. It locks into place with a gentle flick, and just as easily, you can flick it off when you are done blending. This mechanism makes it simple to use. Whether you are rushing out the door to work or heading to the gym, the TOPZEE blender's leak-proof design ensures that your drink stays in the cup where it belongs. The blender is easily disassembled, allowing for quick and thorough cleaning. The blade, cup, and other removable parts can be separated without much hassle, making post-use cleanup a breeze. If you have a dishwasher, the parts are all dishwasher safe, which adds even more convenience. No need to spend time hand washing or worrying about whether you are getting into every nook and cranny. This makes the TOPZEE blender a great option for busy individuals. Another practical feature of the TOPZEE blender is its superior sealing performance. When you are blending liquids like smoothies, juices, or even hot soups, the last thing you want is for the liquid to spill out while the machine is running. The blender cup on this model is designed with excellent sealing capabilities, preventing any accidental spills or leaks. This feature is particularly important if you are someone who likes to blend on the go. With a well-sealed cup, you can blend your drink, twist on the lid, and take it with you without worrying about leakage. Safety and stability are the key when using a high-powered blender, and TOPZEE has addressed this with its non-slip suction cup design. The base of the blender features suction cups that grip tightly to your kitchen countertop, ensuring that the blender stays stable even during the most vigorous blending sessions. For those with limited counter space, the TOPZEE blender is an excellent choice. It's compact with a body that doesn't take up too much room. The cup and body can store separately, which allows for even more flexible storage options. In conclusion, the TOPZEE blender is a well-rounded kitchen appliance that combines power, convenience and thoughtful design. With a 1000-watt motor and a 6-leaf blade system, it can crush anything from ice to nuts, making it ideal for a variety of recipes. Its ice-breaking function allows for plenty blended smoothies and drinks, while the easy-to-use locking system, dishwasher-safe parts, and non-slip suction cup design ensures a seamless user experience. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews and tips to make life a little easier. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Sayonara.